So you want to learn Blender? Well, I'm here to help. My name is Aaron F. Ross, and I've been a 3D artist, teacher, trainer, and author for many years. My mantra is Zen mind is beginner's mind. That means I always try to see the subject I'm teaching from the perspective of the student. And I think that gives me the ability to communicate difficult topics more effectively. And let's not pretend that 3D is easy, because it's not. And Blender is actually one of the most difficult 3D programs to learn because it's unconventional. My goal with this series of courses is to address those issues and make Blender approachable and comprehensible. So whether you're a total noob who's never touched 3D before, or a 3D god who needs to quickly get up to speed in Blender, I've got you. In this series of 6 courses, we'll cover the entire animation pipeline in Blender. That means we will animate something from start to finish, learning the basic 3D production processes along the way. You'll learn scene layout, materials, lighting, animation, and production rendering. Our project is a bouncing ball, which is a classic beginner exercise in animation because it's deceptively complex. There's actually a lot going on with a bouncing ball. It's traveling through space in arcs, it's spinning, and deforming. All 6 of these courses fit together into a coherent sequence that will get you grounded in the basics of Blender. I'm excited to share my experience and perspectives with you. Let's get started with a tour of the Blender interface.